So today I want to talk to you about why you have to use data test IDs. So one of the best examples are Trello. In Trello, if you take a look at the inspect element right here, let me show you real quick. You will see that they're using data test IDs everywhere. As you can see, there are a lot of test IDs right here, which is for testing. If you go here, as you can see, it has a test ID, test ID, test ID. So I believe this is what they're doing. They're using these test IDs to navigate into a specific card, but how they are managing this one, I believe they should be always creating the initial state. Let's say create a board, create tasks, and move them around, create doing list, etc., and then move them around in order to make sure you are always moving the same items to the places. This is what you should be doing. You should always click on this create button. As you can see, there's a header, create menu button. Once you actually use these as well, it is very easy for you to understand from the test that what it is trying to do. So you should be following the same thing. Like use this one. Obviously, it would be this CSS selector right here. Data test ID, and then boom, click on that one and then create a new board. After that, this, I'm sure it has a test ID, which it has, create board title input. As you can see, it is in a very specific way. So when you look at this Cypress test, you will see exactly what it is being done. It can be a Playwright test as well. And then you can just say, hey, this is just a test. And right away, we go into this and list name text area, and we just fill that with test and another test. As you can see, I can just create these and then go back to the first data list header. I'm sure this is how we can do it. And what we can do, we can just create things and move things around. So it is very powerful to use the test data ID. It is tremendously easy to understand what's going inside the Cypress test, and you will be able to test the same structure over and over again. It would be faster in the production. If you want to have some smoke testing in the production, this is also a good idea to keep it in there. So that's about it. This is very good to mimic this type of behavior from Trello. I would recommend it.